If you come from a 2D UX design background, you may be used to just worrying about the visual aesthetics and the UI for the experience that you're creating. There are already a lot of built-in tools in our 2D platforms that handle a lot of the hard stuff for us. And there are already well-established design patterns and design systems that we can use to create an experience that doesn't hurt our eyes, for the most part. A good designer is going to think about these things regardless. So why is it even more important to think about eye strain when we're designing for XR? Think about our eye health when we're dealing with normal 2D screens. When we were kids, our parents would have to constantly remind us not to sit so close to the TV or it would mess up our eyes. And research shows they were right. With XR, we have two small screens in very close proximity to our eyes, which can increase the risk of eye strain and other issues. There are also technical factors such as resolution, color usage, typography, and application design that can have a positive or a negative effect on our eyes. And that's where my content comes in. And it will lay part of the foundational knowledge of UX best practices for XR that you'll need when you're creating your own experiences. You can click on the screen right now to learn more about visibility and legibility for XR. See y'all later.